Hello, my name is Sue Smith and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts, and I'd like to show you how to make this gift bag. This is using the Moroccan haze papers. Okay, you can first of all acquire the template from docrafts.com website and print it off. And I've drawn it here on the reverse of the pattern paper. And then all you have to do is cut out right round the edge of the lines. And I've got a wiggly, curly section here for the top. You can do that freehand. That's it. And then we need to punch the holes using the screw hole punch. I love this tool, it's really clever. You can put a hole in anything. That's it, just push it down. I've used the largest size here. 3 holes, like so. And then we need to sort of score and bend all the other lines. I find this easier with the ruler. Just lift up the paper against the ruler on all the places where it's got to fold. The two ends are a bit tricky because you've got a sort of section where it folds, creases halfway along, and then if you just pinch it, and then it can just fold it once it's scored there. Give it a bit of extra folding, and then we can put the bag together. We're going to add some glue now to the tabs. I'm just using a glue stick. I quite like a glue stick. And then bring the tabs together and fix them so they're coming inwards, a bit like a seam, both sides. There's kind of a concertina effect going on with the sides. Let's hold it so it sticks, and then do the same with this side. There. Because when the bag is open, it kind of just opens, folds out very slightly, so you can reach the goodies inside. Okay, glue both sides, and then we can decorate it with a little tag. I'm going to use the Moroccan tiles dies for the tag, and you've got these lovely different designs, fabulous die set to have, and I've chosen quite an intricate one like this with some nice pink matching cardstock. So run this through your express machine twice to get 2 of those, and then with some more glue I'm just going to glue it onto some vellum. There. And then you can cut around the vellum, just have a thin border showing all the way around the outside. Now the offcuts from the template, don't put those in the bin because we're going to use those. That's these little triangular shaped pieces. I'm just going to put a very slight bit of glue onto that, and then we can use just about enough waste there to use for these tags. And then smaller scissors, just cut around this again, leaving a little bit of the pattern paper showing. And then just go in again with your screw hole punch. And there's already a little circle there, so you know exactly where to put the hole. There. This is for the bottom diamond shape, and the top one is just on vellum without the pattern paper behind. You just do the same thing. And then we can start to thread them together. Now then, I've got some nice cord and these cute tassels. They come from the Moroccan Haze embellishment set. It's got some lovely little things in there. Couldn't resist those. So we thread the tassel on. And then also we're going to personalise the bag. I've got the name Emma here, which you can heat emboss with the Wedding Alpha stamps. Use those. And then that gets threaded on as well. Cut it out. So thread that on. Then there's 2 strands. Have the tassel in the middle. 2 strands. And then they just go through there and behind the diamond shape. I have actually just put a little tiny bit of foam pad on the top corner here and then put the second diamond on just to lift it up, and then that comes through the second one. Instead of doing the 2, I'm just going to thread this one and show you how I tied the bag up. You can also, for an extra nice touch, is to put some tissue paper in the bottom of the bag. I've got some nice pink tissue paper here, and that's from the Craft Planet pack of tissue paper. So the perfect pink colour that goes. You can see the concertina effect of the bag, and then it just folds in to hide the contents. So we thread through the top hole, both strands, if I can get them both through, and then position that so it falls down nicely. And then one strand goes through the back to the front, and then again, it's a bit fiddly, but I just think it adds an extra sort of interest to the design. Adds that sort of diamondy sort of arrow shape. Same with the other side. And then at the back, I've just tied a bow, if I can show you with this one. Just tie a bow in the back. There you have your nice gift bag. Thank you for watching.